Hi, welcome back to IME TV channel. This week I'm going to share with you about SOLIDWORKS Technical Communication and Visualization. These are the solutions that enable you and your team to quickly publish your ideas and your design into product manufacturing information, inspection documentation, high quality graphic assets, and bring your products to life. There are few products that we will cover that fall under SOLIDWORKS Technical Communication and Visualizations. The first one, SOLIDWORKS Model-Based Definition or SOLIDWORKS MBD. With SOLIDWORKS MBD, you can create drawingless drawings that come with 3D dimensions, tolerance, datums, notes, and bill of materials. You can create 3D PDF or e-drawings output files that making it easy for you to share with your team and your suppliers. Secondly is SOLIDWORKS Inspections, where you can easily automate your first article's inspection report creations. Besides that, you can speed up the inspection documentations process up to 70% by using the auto ballooning and optical character recognitions (OCR) technology. SOLIDWORKS Inspections is a standalone product which is suitable for any QA or QC users out there, and you can also use SOLIDWORKS drawings, PDF files, TIFF files, and DWG as input to the software. Thirdly is SOLIDWORKS Composer. With SOLIDWORKS Composer, you can reuse the 3D CAD design to create technical documentation such as assembly instructions, installation instructions, part catalogs, training guides, and maintenance manuals with specialized tools available. You can also create your vectors images and high-resolution images, interactive graphics, and animation with ease. Design changes will update it to existing documentation and avoid redo. Lastly, SOLIDWORKS Visualize. With SOLIDWORKS Visualize, you can create photorealistic rendering pictures, animations, and interactive 3D content using your 3D CAD files. You will become your product's professional cameraman or videographer by changing textures, material appearance, scene, and background with fun and easy to use interface. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. This is just a sneak peek. If you want to know more about this solution and product, don't hesitate to contact us or join the upcoming technical communication webinar.